Hey guys, I am back. I just came from the store from picking up a couple of things. I went to the grocery store and I also went by Homegoods just to pick up a little knickknacks, not a lot. I'm going to show you all what I got and where it's going. The other thing is that I do have a couple of more videos I need to upload before I upload this one. So I'm going to try to get 2 in this week. Hopefully one up today, which is the 4th. That one I would like to get up first because it kind of shows a glimpse of the living room, and it was before we purchased the new furniture, so I don't want to ruin it. I plan on doing a room reveal. However, I wanted to purchase a rug first, and I have not really settled on a rug that I want, so I'm just going to go ahead and do the room reveal without it and kind of show you guys what I'm going to be working on within the next few weeks. I do plan on purchasing a rug. I just don't know what I want yet. I am going to start back doing my makeup videos. I don't want you guys to think that I just completely put that off, because I have not. The only thing is my eyelids are peeling up here, so I haven't really been able to wear eyeshadow. And I did talk about that in the previous video, so I am going to be doing another video. I'm also going to do some videos on my natural hair. I'm going to a wedding this weekend, so I'm hoping that I can get that video up also by next week. So hopefully 2 videos in 1 week to kind of make up for the time that I have not been uploading videos. So I'm going to show you all what I purchased, and then I'm going to clean this kitchen I have to clean and start getting my kids a little meal together for lunch, for dinner tonight. So the first thing that I purchased, let me get some of this out. I'll save that for last. I picked up this little plant I'm going to put here on my countertop, and I'm going to show you all. This was $16.99 at Homegoods. I have 2 of these. I don't know if you all can see the price, but it was $16.99. I have 2 of these. I just put one in my laundry room because it was kind of plain in there. I purchased this little tray to go on the sink as well. And so this is just going to go up here like this. Got this. I'm going to put dishwashing liquid in here. And this is also going to go up here just like this. Cute, 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 cute. Yeah, this might be for hand soap, but I'm going to use it for my dishwashing liquid. I purchased this. I'm not really sure what it's for, but what I'm going to use it for is to put my coasters in. So I'm going to show you that also when I find it. Here are the coasters. Just like, and it is hard. It's not the soft ones, and I like these, so I'm just gonna place these right in here. So when I need to pull them out, I will. And I'm just gonna sit this on the counter also. I purchased a little cleaning caddy for the kitchen. I have some for the bathrooms, but I have these for the kitchen. So this is actually just going to go on the sink, just something to keep the sponges when I'm washing dishes. And then I have this. This is a clean glass cups with. And some sponges. And my little brush to clean the dishes. So I'll keep this under the sink. And then I also purchased this. It's a K, for our last name. And I'm just going to find somewhere in the house to put this. I'm not really sure where yet, but I liked it, so I'm getting it. I think it's, oh, I'm revealing the couches over there. So I think this is very cute. And this was $12.99. While I'm cleaning up, I'm going to burn some candles. I'm going to show you all the candles that I'm burning. I'm also going to show you the lamps that I purchased from Homegoods a couple of days ago to go on the table. It kind of matches the furniture, so I'm going to show you all that really quick. So these are the candles that I'm burning. I got these from, this one from Bath and Body Works, and it is vanilla bean, and it smells so good. And then I'm also going to show you the other one. I have one right here by the front door. That's the front door. And then I purchased these lovely lamps. Ouch! From Homegoods, and they were only, I have not taken the tag off yet. I'm going to take them off soon. $39.99. This little dresser that you all see right here, I'm gonna be painting this. I don't know what color yet. I'm gonna paint it, but in the meantime, it's just gonna stay there, and I'm gonna clean up. My camera is about to die shortly, so I'm gonna try to get as much done as I can before the camera dies. And actually, I'm gonna speed through this because you guys don't care to hear me babble. I'm gonna cut on my show. I think I need to catch up on Married to Medicine or Housewives or something. Or maybe I just put on some YouTube videos and catch up on my YouTube videos. Oh, the last thing that I purchased is a diffuser. So once I get ready to open this box, which I'll probably do when I do the room reveal, this is gonna go upstairs because I burn candles down here, but I don't like burning candles upstairs because the kids are up there. I don't want them knocking anything over, starting a fire, messing with it or anything. So I'm gonna use this, and this, you just use oil, like essential oils. So I am going to, it's trying to pick up my face, it won't let me be great. Yeah.
You talking all of that on recording?
No, it wasn't recording at the time.
No, I'm talking about that. I'm talking about the just now.
Yes.
Are you gonna have a music in the background?
Probably. I may talk over it. Did you just fart? Did you just fart? You farted on camera?
Yep.
I'm gonna put this on there too, and all your friends gonna see.
I don't care. Yeah, just worried. Wade's coming back.
Oh, get out of here.
It's fake.
Alright y'all, that is it for today. My camera is about to die again. I have exhausted all the battery I've had all day today. I didn't get to charge it all day. But before it dies, I'm going to say this. I finally got the kitchen clean, but I still have to sweep and mop. I'm going to go ahead and sweep and mop. I'm going to take my shower, and I am going to bed. I am extremely tired. I have my son up that's still studying, so I want to hurry up and get done with this and get out his way so that he can study. Other than that, y'all, this is it. I'm going to try to get this video up as soon as possible. Another thing I wanted to show y'all really quick is that, y'all see I have these yellow lights. I'm going to be replacing these with white lights. And then I have two that's out, so I'm not really getting good lighting up in here. So this handsome man right here is going to replace that for me.
Baby, come to bed.
I'm about to. I got to sweep and mop, though.
I'll sweep them up.
You said that the last time and you didn't do it.
I'm serious this time.
Yeah, but I feel like if I do it, it'll get done right.
I'm serious this time. I'm going to sweep them up. You've been cleaning all day. Come to bed, baby.